Good morning, students. Today we are going to do the part 5 of our second chapter, From Trade to Territory. In my previous videos, I have explained you how British East India Company came here to do the trade, but ultimately they established a lot of area under control, like Bengal. Then later on they fought with the Marathas and occupied their area also. And we also discussed about their policy of paramountcy. Now in this video we are going to read about how the Britishers occupied the western area of India, their war with the Afghanistan and the Punjab kingdom. Now in the late 1830s, the East India Company became worried about Russia. Driven by this fear, British now wanted to secure their control over the northwest India. They fought a prolonged war with Afghanistan between 1838 and 1842 and established indirect company rule there. Sindh was taken over in 1843. Now you can see the map of India. That in the map of India you can see that in towards the northern side it is not possible to come from the northeast side, because there is a mighty Himalayas, the high mountain ranges of Himalaya. But it is possible to reach India from the northwestern side, because northwestern side is having the flat land. Now, when Russian Empire became very powerful and it started extending its kingdom, the Britishers felt that they may enter India also. So now what they wanted to do, they wanted to occupy the northwestern part of India also, so that Russia do not enter India. Now for doing this, they need to occupy Afghanistan, Sindh and the Punjab. So initially they started fighting with the Afghanistan, and they won also. But instead of ruling directly Afghanistan, they ruled there indirectly. And later on they occupied the Sindh also in the 1843. Now they also wanted to occupy the areas ruled by Maharaja Ranjit Singh. But Maharaja Ranjit Singh was very powerful ruler. He is popularly known as Shere Punjab, and he was the leader of the Sikh Empire, which was ruling the Punjab and the major part of Jammu and Kashmir also. He was very brave. During his lifetime, they never dared to enter the Punjab. But after his death in 1839, two prolonged wars were fought with the Sikh kingdom, and ultimately in 1849, Punjab was also annexed. You can see the map here. The pink portion is the area ruled by the Maharaja Ranjit Singh. But after his death, Britishers fought two wars, and in this war, ultimately they won also. And by 1849, Punjab also came under the control of East India Company. Now, doctrine of lapse. You must have heard about this doctrine, because it was one of the most unpopular policy of the Britishers. Lord Dalhousie, who came to India as a Governor General, he wanted to extend the British Kingdom, and he devised a new policy called Doctrine of Lapse. This was an act enforced by the British government to occupy the states and the lands of Indians. The doctrine of lapse declared that if an Indian ruler died without a male heir, his kingdom would lapse, that is, become part of the company territory. One kingdom after another was annexed, like Satara 1848, Sambalpur in 1850, Udaipur 1852, Nagpur 1853 and Jhansi 1854. Finally, in 1856, the company took over Awadh in the name of misgovernment by Nawab. Ultimately, all this expansionist policy of the British East India Company led to the India's first war of independence, that is famously known as the Revolt of 1857. डॉक्ट्रिन ऑफ लैप्स, इस पॉलिसी में क्या था कि अंग्रेज़ कहते थे कि जिस भी किंग का अपना बायोलॉजिकल सन नहीं है, अपना बेटा नहीं है, तो वो एरिया, वो किंगडम उसका लैप्स हो जाएगा और वो ब्रिटिशर्स का पार्ट बन जाएगा। ये इस पॉलिसी को उन्होंने डिवाइस ही इसलिए किया था कि और ज़्यादा इंडियन किंगडम्स वो अपने में मिला लें। जैसे कि उन्होंने सतारा को मिलाया, फिर संबलपुर को मिलाया, फिर उदयपुर को मिलाया, नागपुर को मिलाया और झांसी को मिलाया। You must be knowing about the Jhansi because the Rani Lakshmi Bai is one of the epitome of power, because she fought with the Britishers. तो रानी लक्ष्मीबाई का जो झांसी था उसको भी उन्होंने इसी डॉक्ट्रिन ऑफ लैप्स के तहत अपने में मिला लिया था। और फाइनली इन 1856 जब कंपनी ने अवध को भी मिस गवर्नमेंट ऑफ नवाब कह के उसको भी अपने में मिलाया, तब लोग बहुत नाराज़ हो गए और कहीं ना कहीं डॉक्ट्रिन ऑफ लैप्स जो है वो पॉलिसी जिम्मेदार बनी भारत का पहले रिवॉल्ट के लिए, दैट इज़ द रिवॉल्ट ऑफ 1857। थैंक यू।